Guys, oh. Yan ang ating mga kapulisan, oh. Yan ang ating mga kapulisan. So libo-libo rin ang nandito, no, ng mga kapulisan. Yan, oh. Libo-libo rin.
Okay. One.
Sila lalapit dito. Atin yan.
Check.
Daming lista guys, libo-libo na. So may sabi may darating pa daw eh. Hanggang doon sa dulo, no, sa may papunta na ng Padre Burgos. Doon nandun yung mga ralyesta na. Ang kanilang speaker abot na rin dito. Yan, oh. Wala nang tao dito sa mainit. Nandun yung mga tao sa lilim, no? Sa lilim yung mga tao. Yung doon sa banda sa may kung nakapunta kayo dito sa Lunita, doon sa banda sa may Kalabaw, marami na ring tao, no? Ako naghanap lang ako guys ng naghanap lang ako ng magandang kasi mainit. Pag ang cellphone mainitan, nag-stack up. Stack up yung cellphone pag mainit kaya.
Let's party!
Dito tayo. Kung may program dito.
Stop, correct! Stop, correct!
Pakayasing ako Bawal tayo check. One. Check. Kanya sir, bye. One. Check.
Everybody would like to hear you. Stop corrupt from the top. Stop corrupt from the top. Yeah, thank you. We'd like to invite Stanley Goliath of CAP-PUP for his
Magandang
po. Umaga po sa lahat. Magbabasa po ako ng tula. Kasi poetry reading na. Ayan. Kasi yung mga tulang galit na. Ura, paman. Narinig ba ako? Narinig ba ako? Tulog sila. Dahil alam natin ang mansulog sila ng mga kurabot ng ating kayan. Okay,
Okay naman lang dyan, ha?
For centuries, the master of the land has gorged himself on flesh and blood. Now, he wields a brittle, rusty sword and still casts a spell with a cross. We go with the children of wrath and prepare a trap across his path, a net of vine holding a carpet of leaves covers the pit full of bamboo spears. When he stumbles into the hungry hole and raves and reads among the foes, he shall see the children of the soil casting upon him buckets of flame and oil. The night shall flee from the flames, and this shall wait until the greatest day, and merge with the glory of the sun. The monster shall have been done. His sword shall break by a hammer blow on a rock from which a swift spring flows the fragment of the sword we shall gather to fashion new things by the hammer. The children of the soil shall be freed of the yoke and terror in their country. They shall stand against any monster and win by wit and engulfing monster, an engulfing number. The festival of the children of the soil. The festival of the children of soil. We joyously sing and dance with them as the ancient monster comes to an end against the monster of the land. Salamat po.
That is our chance so the media could hear us. Stop corrupt from the top. Stop corrupt. Stop corrupt from the top. From the top. Stop corrupt. We're inviting everyone to join the chanting. Okay? When we say stop corrupt, we say from the top. Okay?
Okay.
Stop corrupt
From the top.
and from the top. Stop corrupt. Stop corrupt
From the top.
from the top. Stop corrupt. And when we say from the top, it refers to who? Marcos Singilin. Duterte Panagutin. Marcos Singilin. Marcos Singilin. Duterte Panagutin. Duterte Panagutin. Marcos Singilin. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new performer with us. Jack, who's gonna perform 2 songs for us. Palapakan natin si Jack, ladies and gentlemen. Mayor to responded na artista ng bayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang laban. Artista ng bayan. Stop corrupt.
Look at our politician dancing and singing in the stage of selfishness. But if you look deep within, all the rationale is smoking with greed. The rhythm of your move is suppression of society. Hello, Mr. Politician. Hello, Mr. Educated Fool. Oh, I will hand you down in every single way with a beat of our music. Oh, we will hug you down in every single way with a beat of our music. Music from the soul, yeah. Music from the soul. Music from the soul, yeah.
Stop corrupt.
Stop corrupt.
From the top.
From the top. Stop corrupt. Let's go, Jake.
Sungkol batawat.
Hindi ganito.
Naghaking
Meron ako sa bahay. Talagang tao. Hindi kasi sa motor eh.
sumasagisag sa
Pinit na lang pre.
ang ating bayan.
Parang payong lang.
Oh,
500 lang.
ako'y may sariling paninindigan. Kumakalinga sa agos ng kalikasan. Laya-laya, kalayaan. Sumasayaw sa tunog ng kapayapaan. Laya-laya, kalayaan. Sumasayaw sa tunog ng kapayapaan.